go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did well by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you the talk, oh. I put my life.
What's up, guys? So we're here with Wiggins hair. Once more, this is the box that we got everything into today. Guys, please excuse my nails. I'm getting them done tomorrow, okay? They look a mess right now. But yeah, let's get into the package. So the first thing I'm seeing is the wig, which we're gonna get into in a few. I also got this drawstring bag and it's branded Wiggins hair, and it says once meet, never forget. They also sent a pair of HD wig caps. I got a branded elastic band. I got a edge brush and comb. And then lastly, I got this pair of lashes. That's everything that came in today's package. So I'm super excited for today's wig that we're working with from Wiggins hair. Not just because it's a curly texture, but straight out of the package, I could tell that the quality is top tier. Okay, also this is a 250% density wig and it's only 16 inches long. I find that whenever I get wigs from Wiggins hair, the density is always up there. It's always like high density wigs. So if you love a very full wig, you know, I feel like Wiggins is always a good choice to get those kind of wigs, and they're so nicely constructed. Last time I worked with them, it was a beautiful wig. Everything was just connecting. The features, everything was really top tier. And this right here is a 13x4 pre-plucked lace front curly wig. All right, guys, let me show you. It's 13x4, but it's not only 13x4 in the mid portion of the lace front. It's 13x4 right across. All right, and that I love. So you can get a nice deep parting on within the lace portion. I love that. All right, also this is how the inside of the cap looks. They added this extra elastic band, you know, for security. You can adjust it to however tight or loose you want it to be. And then there's a total of 3 combs on the inside and adjustable straps in the back. Everything added in there is to make sure that the wig stays put on your head, and I love that. So that's how it looks. It's already pre-bleached, by the way, so that looks really good. And I love how realistic the hairline looks. It has a nice moderate graduation. It's not too deep, you know, and it looks very nice and flat, you know. So that's the vibe it's giving. The hair feels very soft. Honestly, the color, it's giving like a nice number 1 tone more than 1B, and I love it. You guys know I'm a sucker for black hair, so that's really good. And the hair is very full, by the way. Even though it's 250% in density, it's not like super heavy, but it does feel very full. Like, it's not one of those wigs where you're gonna be seeing through the hair. And I know you have this on, it looks super healthy, it looks really good. Yeah, top tier wig vibe. And it's 16 inches long, as I said, you know, and stretched. So I love that. I can't wait to go ahead and jump into this. I'm going to be doing a nice immaculate glue install with today's wig, so let's get to it. So you know the vibes. Once I slip the wig on, always, you know, measure it. I'm doing a whole ball cap method, which, to be honest, ever since I migrated, I make sure to do the ball cap method. I find that it really helps with protecting I don't know, like the area where I apply the glue even more. It's not even a thing about edges, it's just like it just feels better, especially after I remove the wig. I just feel like it protects the area more for me personally. So I make sure anytime I'm going to glue a wig on that I do a ball cap method. Very rare that I won't do it, because especially now where it's fall, it's definitely, once it's so cold, it's like your wig, there's no slipping, it's not gonna come off easily. So I find that whenever I go to remove it, I don't know how to explain it, but it's just better for me. It protects the area better, and that's what I stick to. So yeah, you see how good that looks? So I'm gonna be going in with my Lace Be Gone glue. You guys know the vibes. And I'm gonna take my time and lay this wig down, have it real melt. I'm so excited. I love when a wig is well constructed, and even better when the hairline is well plucked and the lace is a 10. Great HD lace wigs, they can't go wrong. I'm gonna speed through this portion as usual and just lay the hairs. It's not nothing you haven't seen. I'm gonna do it in sections. Should I do it in sections like the last time? I think I want to. So I'm gonna do the mid portion first. I install the wigs this way sometimes based on my mood as well. I don't always install it this way, but sometimes it's just kind of easier for me. It's a simplified way of me installing a wig.
Nothing to discuss, cause I take by fault and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl is out. I'm a mind that's you talk. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy and I know that careful. That the baba fry yo, my ayo, don't cry yo. I did what I got when then kills over my. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for leggy bona. Now so much you make with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in FULL13X4. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in FULL13X4. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. Don't last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. My eye, yo. Don't cry, yo. I need people and shadow.
Guys, you saw like this wig melted down so nicely. So I have the elastic band just, you know, melting down the lace even more, and I'm gonna go ahead get the hair wet. But look at this, how beautiful and full this is. Oh my gosh, look at that, super full. It's stunning. So I'm just going to be putting a little bit of this in there, leave-in conditioner along with water, because I want this to remain like really nice and soft, you know. I'm gonna be rocking this install for the next couple of days, so you know, I did like 2 layers of glue on this. It's really nice.
Another banger.
Guys, this is how the install turned out. It is so pretty. Wow, just wow. Like, it detangled so beautiful. Look at that. The bounce in this hair is just gorgeous. It's super full, like super full. The movement is beautiful. You see the meltdown? You see that? The meltdown, it's immaculate. Immaculate. Wiggins, you did that. 10 out of 10 would highly recommend. If you're looking for a bomb, immaculate 13x4 lace front, 250%, I'm telling you, amazing density wig. This is it. It's right here. Look no further. You know, the shedding is on a minimal level, and I always say this with curly hair or wigs or whatever. Always ensure that if you're going to be wearing it for a while, please detangle it every day, because this will really minimize the shedding and it just makes life easier dealing with this kind of texture. But the pros are definitely, like, you don't have to be worried about straightening or curling the hair up, because all you need to do is just add some water, brush it out, and you're good to go. Okay. Oh, this is so pretty. Like, flawless. Flawless. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think. It's just too pretty. Too pretty. 10 out of 10. But guys, as I said before, the direct link to this wig, it's in my description box. Check it out. The specifications, they're all listed. You know, what more can I say? It speaks for itself. It's gorgeous. Yeah, so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's wig video. If you found it informative, if you love the way this wig looks, go ahead and give this video a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And big up to Wiggins, you know, they came through all the way. And that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and big up on yourself. Bye. Fine, oh, back at that, watch your love for like it, why not?